Hey Noah, what you got going on there?
Good question. Probably a terrible idea. But it was your idea, so that it's also working. Terrible idea or not.
Yay physics.
Woo! It's not too early to celebrate, is it? We gotta move it that way. Ahoy, matey!
So, describe your work thus far on this little crane.
I think we should put the wheels on it and then describe it as we roll it around, one leg at a time. We're gonna lift some solar panels with this bad boy. Two. Three. That should be strong enough, but I'd like to add probably a couple more just to give it a little oomph. That'll be one of our weak points for sure because it's going to be rocking back and forth.
Copy that.
It's a minefield over here, stepping over everything. Now, we're going to want two pulleys on this thing, yes? One's going to be on this side where the crank is, one's going to be in the center where it lifts from. And after we find a way to connect our crank and our two pulleys, we're pretty much done. I think we can start it from there.
Yes, sir.
Let's bring out the supplies. There's our 1,000-pound capacity, and it's got a 32-foot wire rope. And for Steve's first time going to Harbor Freight, we got some good stuff, didn't we?
We sure did.
All right. Okay, final screws are going in. These are the last two that I'm gonna sink into this bad boy. Completely unnecessary, but we're going above and beyond on this one. One. And two. It's gonna lift itself up.
Yep.
Man, we're gonna have to put a ladder on this thing. You know that, right? And maybe the side we put a ladder on, we can put another anchor point, if that makes sense. Like one from the very tip. That way it's even stronger there.
Okay.
How cool is this? I'm excited to paint it.
Wow.
How cool is this? Okay, we gotta lift me up or something. I need
Yeah.
like I think I have a safety harness somewhere that wraps around your legs.
All right.
test it out. Ready to lift me up? Oh. It works!
Yeah. We'll definitely have to add the ladder. So, Noah, I gotta ask you, why are you moving all these bricks?
I'm not sure that I actually know the answer to that question. I think we're gonna try to build a yurt frame out of them, at least the base of the yurt, because it gets really wet here, and I'm not gonna try to use pressure treated wood. That's gonna be more expensive. These bricks were a good deal, and I got to help a neighbor clean them up. So that's what we're trying. We'll see how it works. Where are we headed?
Unicorn Lake.
Are there any unicorn lakes in Minnesota? In Minnesota?
No, sir, I believe that is a completely fictional place.
I don't know.
Fictional place.
It must be. It was on the bus list. Denton Jazz Festival? Yeah, we got the Jazz Festival. Ali, are you on the phone? Is everything okay? Can I confirm the house will be ready at 4? Or at 3, 4?
Usually they're more responsive than this. They'll lean into it. Pet them right there. That's how you charm a toad. Okay.
It doesn't look poisonous.
No, it's just a garter snake.
Slippery little guy. There you go, buddy. Where'd Mr. Snake go?
He's under the fold.
Size of
He's definitely a biter. I can see his nasty fangs.
Oh, this one too.
Noah, what are you up to today?
Swimming.
I got that thunderclap on video.
That's awesome. All my drills are out there, aren't they?
You want me to fetch them?
I'll do it. I have the raincoat on.
Are you sure? Hey Noah, why are you working in the dark?
Because it rained all day, and we like being dry and eating screws. Let's get it done! Figure out how to build a gate that swings open. Man, the top looks so good. The last one we made was leveled by eye. This one,
Really?
this one looks so much better.
Oh wow. Yeah, it looks really good. Good job, Noah.
Hey, good job, Steve. Couldn't have done it without you, that's for sure. Let's wrap this up. Agreed?
Agreed.
How's that low light camera go? Ding 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 ding.
No, I'm here for the daily update. What did you accomplish today?
We finished. Other than some of the aesthetic little details, like about 1,000 more screws, cutting the caps off of our 4x4s, taking a nap, we are going to be done. Check it out. Shall we turn the air conditioning on?
Let's.